Ben, ikaw na, nagkabuhin ba? Mula ka ba eh?
Yan, ano ko ko
Ikaw na.
Mula ka pusgan. Diba, adrenaline na lang ka pusgan na. Na, paro.
Dragon mo regirinos. Ano? Di mo, kat na. Ano yung kabot?
Dili ka ni main magpirmi ka usa ra gyud ka mo ari. Uy, mga mo mo ba ka usa ra gyud mo.
Sige sa amin.
Usa man bi. Na dire. Aw. Medyo na mo dito. Aw, kuan gyapon. Tiger gyapon. Wait.
Nasa gobyerno nga. Ang buhaya.
Dili ba siya kaambak?
Ombak mo eh. Ombak ko. Dili, na tubig.
Ano? Uy! Saan na kinagsugod na ang bird?
Kanta mo lagi bird shoe niya.
Madas bitul vertical seepage Maya.
Ano lang, lihok na.
Nakapituod-tuod. Halika lang.
Now, introducing our host for today, Miss Nia. Hi everyone, good morning. This is your group of pigeons. Pigeons and pigeons were used as a messenger to carry out message to your family, friends, and loved ones. So ladies and gentlemen, please relax and enjoy as our flying fire friends are going to show some amazing tricks, awesome stunts, guest participation, and important environmental message now. Drop it inside! Paper, next one! Think of your grapple paper. Open it and drop it inside. Paper. Now see, it first candy white candy, right? So always add a little candy with inspired by your friends. That's what you can tell us. Welcome to Kusafari First Show. Show comes in. We have a total of 370 species of parrots around the world, and macaws are the largest. Okay, and I think they're ready to go back home when we want. So round of applause to our flying macaws. And for our next bird, it is a very special, intelligent, and handsome bird. But I need you to call him. Can you say Jumbo? We can hear you. Make it louder. Say Jumbo. Okay guys, listen here. Over here. Okay. Can you wait with somebody? Oh, someone wait back. Wait for once again. Okay. So macaws have very long tail and feathers. They can grow up to 3 and turn around buddy. Wow. Okay. So as long as you see most of their colors outside Shuffle. Animal pictures right here, and I want you guys to choose one animal picture. So we have tiger, zebra, horse, snake, and camel. Okay, I'm hearing Mr. Robin. Okay, so while we are preparing the shuffle letters, let's have a short interview with Miss Debbie. Hi, Miss Debbie, how are you doing today?
I'm fine.
Oh, let's give you here. And can you ask if where the shuffle originally came from?
South America.
Well, we have to stay here in the Philippines, right?
Yes.
Oh, that's good to hear. That's great. Okay, we're all good. So, buddy, I need you to take a look at the picture carefully. How does the camel spell? First, pick up the letter C. Good job. Next one. Next one's the letter A. Okay. Next one's the letter F. Okay. Everybody. Then pick up the letter E. And what's the thing about the letter? Next one's the letter L. So camel spells C-A-M-E-L. Is that correct? Okay, it seems to be easy for Jumbo. Let's make it difficult. Okay? So after this spelling test, we're going to move on into the mathematical test in addition form. So right now, I need you guys to give me two numbers between 1 to 10. Just have pictures on this side. Number do you want? 9. Okay, on the other side? What's number 5? Okay. 9 plus 5. So 9 plus 5 buddies equals 2. Okay, it seems to be secret for now. But by the way, Miss Benny, can you ask if what's Jumbo's favorite food?
Varieties of fruits, seeds, and vegetables.
Varieties of seeds, fruits, and vegetables. And can you also
University of Cebu Safari.
University of Cebu Safari. Okay. Okay, we're all good. So, buddy, I need you to take a look at the numbers carefully. Do some permutations in your head. 9 plus 5 equals 2. First, we pick up number 1. Next number is going to take the extra, but it's going to be 5. Next is the number 4. So 9 plus 5 is equal to 14. Is that correct? Okay, so round of applause for a great big applause, Jumbo. One is correct. So when they go observe, our birds are free to fly. Innovative humans that way they can exercise their natural behavior in their natural habitat. And they're also called set parrots in South America. Come on. Thank you so much, Mom. You can have saved your seat. Thank you. Okay, and right now I need another type of birds, meaning we can only have one partner time. If your partner dies, that will be the only time that they will find another amazing partner. And the wild, they can survive for about 20 to 25 years, while Philippines 30 to 35 years. Okay, guys. Thank you. Thank you so much. Okay, and for our last volunteer, I need an adult volunteer with money. Someone with money. Someone with money. With a paper bill. Someone with money. Do we have? Okay, I think we already have one. Just bring any amount of money, ma'am. Make sure it's a paper bill. Good morning. Can I ask for your name? Oh, hi, Miss Mary. Do you have the side, please? Okay, nothing to worry guys, love eats more than money, okay? Okay, everyone ready? Okay, so this goes to 100. Let's back to Miss Mary Ann. Put the 100 pesos back to right applause to Sunny Ann for Ethan. So ticket is the largest species of ball ticket. Have a black body with a white marks on its throat to help them camouflage in the rainforest. So we have Mr. Aiken right here who will try to pull some fruits and let's see how good he is at catching his food. Good bird. Okay, let's do it. 1, 2, 3. Good catch. Number 1. Oh, that's already. Nice catch! Okay, by the way guys, as what you can see, tickets have a big and colorful bill that looks just like our hairs and nails. Hi, Mr. Moore. Good bird. Okay, let's have some more. Nice catch, buddy. Okay, another one. Good bird. Okay. Oh, that's way too far. Good catch! And by the way guys, Chronomus parrot named Lenny. Yellow Chronomus parrot is the most commonly named Amazon due to its singing ability and playfulness. Yes, they can mimic. The mimic is the copy sound of what they hear every day. Now, can you say hi? Hello? 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 They can mimic the different sounds of animals, just like a rooster, a cat, and a dog, and also mimic a telephone ringing. Ready, rooster? How about cat? Cat. Cat. Can you bark? Bark. 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 Yay. Okay, telephone. Telephone. How about whistle? I know Solani and Rudy they love to sing, but before we sing, we need to have a warm up first. La 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 la, la 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 la. Okay, how about the first song? Whoa, yeah. Whoa, yeah. I love you more than I can. Okay, for the second song, we pass first. Who's celebrating their birthdays today or within this month? Hi, happy birthday. Listen carefully because Lani and Rudy will sing a happy birthday song. Everybody sing happy birthday. Okay, again. Again, it's happy birthday. So round of applause for meeting Bernie, Lenny, and Rudy. Okay, thank you so much, Ms. Jillian and Ms. Abby, and for mimicking birds named Lenny and Rudy. So now, since you already witnessed the extraordinary skills of our cute and fluffy birds, now let's meet some raptors, our birds of prey. So when you say birds of prey, they are birds that choose to pursue smaller mammals or birds as their food. Like for example, eagles, hawks, vultures, and owls, they are defined as birds of prey. So right now, for our first bird of prey, put your hands together towards like a praying flight. Our Brahminic name, glider. Lawing in Tagalog. And their diet, they love to eat small mammals, reptiles, and birds. Okay, everyone, please remain seated, and no one will stand up. And we also have a white range from their head down to its underparts, and from their back wings, they have a chestnut brown color. Okay, everyone, please remain seated because our birds will fly closer to you. have here Miss Debbie. She has her real food and her real prey because Hunter will not let go floor without an exchange. And as what you can observe, Miss Debbie is very excited by Habitat Blocks. They know the birds of prey. They love to eat small mammals, reptiles, and birds. They also have a wingspan of 105 to 125 centimeters. So round of applause to our Philippine Hawk Eagle Day, Hunter. Eagle Day, Morena. So white balanced eagle are also known as the king of the sea. They have a white plumage from their neck down to its underparts and from their bottom wings. They have a dark gray in color. And they're mostly found in Tasmania, Southeast Asia, and Australia. Same about birds or animals. Female is slightly larger than the male ones. And everyone will please remain seated. A round of applause for White Balanced Eagle Day, Marina. And to see this moment, we have our flying lars all the way from Australia. We have the Dexter lars, the Chagrin lars, and the Red Blue lars. And to make this more memorable, we have here a symbol of love. Peace. Prosperity and harmony are proof of peace. And our scarlet ivy all the way from South America. Come here, Miss Everybody. Come on. Okay, so before we fully end our show, let's everyone Marina, our other bird trainer, Miss Abby, Miss Jan, Miss Rachel, Mr. Rocket, Mr. James, Mr. Irvin, Mr. Ian, our seven Mr. Rick, our volunteer staff, Sean. Last but not least, our professional bird trainer, Mr. Raymond, all the way from Singapore. Together with our Malacca ticket today, Dan, and yours truly, my name is Mia. We hope you enjoyed the show. Thank you so much, everyone, and enjoy the rest of the life.
Iring oh, meerkat. Mga dihay.
Kita makita kayo ng blend sa balang. Oh.
Pupunta na tayo sa African Savannah. Then, ito na ang last. Yung pinaka, ano. So, dito tayo. Dito tayo kanina. Ngayon, the outpost.